Hi everyone, welcome back to Nisi Custom. Today we're going to do a Christmas decorative pillow with the stuff that we got from the Dollar Tree. But before we begin, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you won't miss none of my videos. But I hope everybody is blessed and highly favored. So let us begin. Okay, first we have our towel that we got from, the kitchen towel, the decorative kitchen towel that you get from the Dollar Tree. And they have a whole bunch of them. Well, we're going to have one of those. We have our glue gun. And we have stuffing that I had left over. What I got from Michael's. Okay, first we're going to turn the towel upside down like that. We're going to fold it over. Well, we're going to fold it over. Fold it over like that. Make sure it's even. Okay. We're going to take our glue gun and we're going to start from this corner. Okay. Once we did that, we're going to fold it down on the glue. Okay. Press it down. Make sure it got a good bond on it. We're going to come over here on this side and we're going to do the same thing. Start from this end. Put your glue down. Okay. Then we're going to press this down evenly. Okay. Once that is done, I like to let it set for 5 minutes to make sure that my glue is dry. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn the pillow inside out. Okay. Once you turn it inside out, you're going to get your stuffing, and you're just going to put in the pillow. Make sure you spread it evenly. Okay. Once you spread the stuffing evenly, you're going to take your glue gun and you're going to seal it up. Make sure the stuffing is out of the way. Make sure the stuffing is out of the way. And just measure it how you're going to seal it, like that. Okay. Get your glue gun This glue gun is like really hard to press to get anything out. I'm over here squeezing and my hand shaking at the same time. Okay. Then you're gonna just press it down. You might have to add a little bit of glue just to make sure you got that good seal. And just press it down till it sticks together. Okay, now you have a nice Christmas pillow that you can put on your chair for decoration. Simple and easy, just like that. You don't have to get a sewing machine or anything like that. You just get your towels from the Dollar Tree, a glue gun, and some stuffing, and that is it. That is it. That's all you have to do. Okay, if you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment bar, in the comments place. Sorry about that. Remember, God loves you, and I love you too. Thank you.
Open up.